guys. So do you have this problem? You go to shut your door, you slam your Tesla Model S door, and the freaking door just flops like this? I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Pretty easy to do. You literally have one 10mm bolt here and two T27 Torx right here. We're gonna take this door panel off, and then we're gonna replace the little plastic pins that go in here. Look, I can grab one right now. So these are what we're gonna replace. These just get worn out over time, and they're no longer able to hold the door into the panel like this. Because if you have to go like this every time, that ain't cool. Stick with me, I'll show you how to fix it. So these are the clips that you need to replace the old ones that don't hold anymore. You can get them on realdealev.com. I'll put a link right here. Click on that if you need them. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is remove these two T27 Torx. There's one, there's two. Now we're gonna swap out to our 10mm. And that's it. All right, so now from this point, the door is basically off. And considering it wasn't being held on very tight, I'll just be able to yank it off. But you're gonna have things still connected on the back side, so you can't leave the car yet. Just like that. So now, I'm gonna leave everything still connected, because that's all we're doing is replacing these pins. We're not taking this panel off anywhere. We're not doing anything with it. So I'm gonna leave it here, and I'm just gonna replace the pin. These are the pins all the way around. So a couple of these are missing and broken. And be careful you don't hit the speaker. So I'm gonna put these new ones inside here and just start going around and replacing them. All I'm doing is I'm taking them and I'm sliding them straight out. This one right here, you can see there's an opening on the inside. So I'm taking it and grabbing it with my hand that was barely even tight in there and sliding it straight out. Taking the new one, sliding it straight in. Let me show you that. Taking it, sliding it straight out. Sliding it straight in. Next one, you can see where's the opening, so we're gonna slide it straight in. Get that one out of there. New one. Right in. And so on, all the way around. If you can reuse these tapes, that's good. If you can't, it's not that big of a deal. It's not the end of the world. See, and this one down here was missing. That might have been the one I took off for a demonstration earlier, actually. And so yeah, we're gonna go around and do the rest of them. That one already put in down there. And see, I'm touching the speaker. This is what you gotta be careful of. You'll put a hole right through that speaker. I'm glad I just saw that. Okay, there's all of them new. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. 9 have all been replaced with new ones. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open these up just a little bit. So they're already looking pretty good. This one's scrunched up just a little tiny bit. I'm just gonna take them and open them a little bit more so that way they hold onto the top of the panel pretty good. They already were. That was about the only thing holding it. But I'm gonna just make it a little tighter. All right, so for this, I'm just gonna use some pliers and open them up just a tiny bit. Okay, those are all opened up now. So from now, we'll make sure all of our brackets are aligned, everything's hooked up in the back, and we're good to go. Just like that. You can put her back on. So we'll always do the top first. Couple of good hits. And then you'll just work your way around. Just like that. And so now hopefully, it's nice and tight now. So that's how you fix it. Now we gotta put our 10mm bolt back in there. Pretty easy fix. Just replacing those plastic clips and telling your passengers, quit slamming my door. Because that's also another thing. people that slam the doors. Put these T27s back in. All right, now the next thing is put the plastic cover on. So it's got 2 little notches on this side and 2 little tabs on this side. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna insert it in. Make sure you slide into those notches and then you just clip it into place, just like that. On the rotor piece, I find it easier to kind of go in and down, just like this. So you're gonna go in, press it in, and then push the top down so the 2 little clips go in the top. Just like that. We'll do a door slam test. Good to go. So, if your door panel's coming off like this is all you need.